Hello, Bitcoin lovers. So, I said before that falling in love with an asset is one of the intermediate traders level mistakes. But anyway, some people insist to trade the volatile market. Okay, um, let's have a look here first at the Bitcoin. So, what do we see here? This is the monthly chart. So we see a very strong reversal candle here in the month of March. Then this is April. This is where we are now. This is very reversal to the bullish. Very reversal. Okay, that the price dropped at the previous support level here. Reversal candle. The confirmation by breaking the top of this candle. Uh, so this is very bullish, okay, on the monthly chart. This is very textbook reversal. Okay, let's drop down to the. So what had happened here, generally we see here five bullish waves. So five bullish waves followed by bearishness. I don't call this correction, I call it bearishness. And some people see it that this is a way forward. See, look for the bigger scale, on the bigger scale. So they see this is wave one, wave two, wave three, wave four, and this should be wave five. Okay, I don't go that far. Let's drop down to the daily. So this is the daily chart, and I see here wave one, wave two, wave three, wave four. The price supposedly to drop down to continue wave five on the downside, unless the price here overlaps with in wave four overlaps with wave one. Okay, if this point has reached that point, by other words, if the price has risen to 80 and 870, this will be a very strong reversal and sign, especially that we see here double bottom. We see the price is over the first two moving averages, so this might be a very bullish sign. So let us go to the hourly chart, because there is a very different opinion on the hourly chart. Okay, on the hourly chart, I can see here rising wedge. All right, and the price is trying to cross under this very strong trend line, accompanied with the 200 moving average, which is the green line. So if the price has crossed, that's why I'm not buying or selling, because the price on the monthly and daily showing bullish signs, and on the hourly shows bearish signs. Both are very strong and very contradicting. Okay, that's why I'm avoiding the Bitcoin at the moment. But honestly speaking, if the price here has made a strong breaking, if it has broke the trend line with all of the moving averages, I will take my chances and short the Bitcoin only when it confirms by breaking the lines. Okay, so what does it mean to break it? Sometimes it's a fake breakout and it goes back in. All right, this will be a bullish sign, of course. The confirmation for me is either to have two consecutive closes under the line, or one strong bearish candle to the downside. Probably it's followed by a correction, then a bearish trend. But I would like to see strong close under all of these four lines. So this is the hour chart again. Bear in mind that there is a very strong correlation between the Bitcoin and the S&P 500. They are very highly correlated when it comes to short term. This is the correlation coefficient indicator. I talked about it before. It's a very genius mathematical theory that measures the correlations between the assets, and the higher it goes towards the number one here, this means that they are very positively correlated. The lower it goes to -1, it means that they are very negatively correlated. When it's closer to the zero line, it means that they are not correlated at all. As we see here, most of the time, because they are highly correlated, except for the weekends, because the Bitcoin works 7 days a week and the S&P works only 5 days. So I see a very strong correlation between the Bitcoin and the S&P. One of the markets experts called Tom Lee, I'm one of his followers, said that with historically speaking, when the Fed chair changes, the S&P tends to make a V shape. So it goes very like this one, like that, the one that have occurred in last April, something like this. Okay, this also always accompanies the Fed chairman change, but of course it's just a notice from him. It's not a rule. Let me show you how does the S&P operates on the long term. This is the weekly chart. Okay, this is the weekly chart. Shows that the price is moving in an expanding diagonal or parallel lines somehow. Also, I see it as five waves. And I said before, few months ago or a couple of months ago, that the price here, there's a strong bearishness sign, and it did go back to my older videos, like in February and January. I have said that it's going to drop like that. There's no room for going upwards, and I had, of course, my evidence for that. Now the price might have a room to the purple line, so there is a small room here to go upwards. This is how it looks on the S&P, which is highly correlated with the Bitcoin. Back to the Bitcoin. So on the Bitcoin level, here we see that the price might have one last pump to the upside. So we have three options here. Either the price is going to go upwards still to meet this line and again go backwards for a short-term bearishness, or the price may on the opening on Monday go directly bearish. Strong bearishness is going to occur, or the pattern is going to be disrupted. What does that mean? It means that the price is going to keep moving sideways, 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 not to the up or down. Then it will, from there, it will make a decision to go parabolic upwards. So this is for the Bitcoin. I have showed you the monthly, the daily, the hourly. How are they contradicting with each other? Me myself, I would go for less volatile assets like the euro dollar, for instance, which is, by the way, also highly correlated with the Bitcoin. Is, as you can see, euro dollar most of the time is positively correlated, are positively correlated. So on the daily chart, let me show you the daily chart of the euro dollar also. So here we can see that the price is moving sideways since July in a range up, it goes up and up and down in the same range. So it's perfect for me. Okay, I don't fall in love with any asset, either euro dollar or gold or Bitcoin or anything. So this is very perfect way for trading, for day trading. This is a daily chart, so I may buy here, sell here, even if I have made a mistake and sold here, and I know that it's going to go back to the same point where I can get out of it without any losses. So this is very nice for trading for me at the moment. Um, and it's not influenced highly with by the what's going on in the war. So the influence on the war on the forex market is not that much. It's highly influenced. It has heavy shadows on the oil first, second the Bitcoin. Okay, third I would say the S&P. Let's have a look also, by the way, for the gold. This is a gold. I said before that there is a bearish channel here, and the price is going to move choppy until it meets that line, and that's what had happened already the previous days. And there is a strong tendency for bearishness before it goes up again. This is kindly, this is my own point of view. This is my own analysis. Don't take it as a confirmed advice. Do your math before you make your decision. I'm just sharing my thoughts and ideas and thinking loudly with you. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because you are going to learn a lot.